Welcome, Yummy family. It's been a long time, and I am so glad to have you back in my kitchen. Today, we are making one of my absolute favorites, garden egg stew. This recipe is simple, very tasty, and goes perfectly with yam, rice, or really any dish you want. Well, except fufu. So let's get started. First, I heat up a little oil in my pan. Then add some minced onions. I let them fry for a few minutes until they release that sweet aroma. Next in goes my fresh tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes are the best for this recipe. They give such a rich and natural flavor. I fry the tomatoes together with the onions for a few minutes and then I add some cayenne pepper. You can also use fresh pepper if that's what you have. Both work beautifully. After stirring, I leave everything to fry for just about 3 minutes. Now I add a little ginger garlic paste. This gives the stew a nice deep flavor that balances perfectly with the garden eggs. Well, speaking of which, here come my garden eggs. I have already washed and cut them into cubes. I stir everything together and then add some water to it. Adding water, this step is so important, do not forget, because the water cooks both the garden eggs and the tomatoes at the same time. This recipe is a way to avoid extra steps like boiling and grinding the garden eggs separately. In fact, no hardship here, okay? Okay, at this point, kindly hit the subscribe button because we are back fully, no going back. All right, when you're adding the water, make sure the water is just enough to soften the garden eggs well. Now, I'm going to stir this and then cover it to allow it cook beautifully. And also from time to time, I check, stir, and cover the pot so it continues cooking nicely. So when cooking the garden eggs and the tomatoes together, it wouldn't take that long, okay? Probably like 15 to 20 minutes. So if you're enjoying this video and you're enjoying this recipe, kindly like this video and do not forget to share it. Once the garden eggs are soft, I drop in a little seasoning cube. Give it a good stir and cover again to allow the stew to build more flavor. At this stage, I'm going to add in my protein. You can use any protein of your choice, okay? Be it meat, fish, chicken, whatever you love. I stir it in and then I will come in with my next ingredient. We are not done yet. Next, I add some carrots. So this is going to bring a little sweetness and crunch to the stew. So I will stir it nicely, cover it and allow them to soften slightly. All right, it is now time for some extra flavor. I add a tin of sardine and tuna. You know the national anthem always, right? You don't have to add if you don't want, okay? Just use any fish or protein of your choice, followed by my homemade spice mix. If you want to see how I made that, I've got a video on it, so be sure to check it out after watching this one. So at this point, taste for salt and adjust as needed. This step is totally optional, okay? I'll add a touch of garlic powder and some ground black pepper. It is totally optional, but I will recommend. Then I stir it and cover it again and let everything stew for just 2 to 3 minutes. So we aren't done yet, okay? So finally, I'm going to add in some sliced onions. This part is also optional but highly recommended because it gives the stew a fresh crunch at the end. So I stir them in and then I will cover it for about 30 to 45 seconds. Now the final part, okay. At this stage, I've tasted for my salt, I've adjusted my seasoning, everything tastes so well for me. So I'm going to add my final burst of color and flavor, which is the spring onions. And at this point, I've turned the fire off, okay? So I'll stir it in gently and beautifully. And once everything is well mixed and well incorporated, our delicious flavor-packed garden egg stew is ready. You can enjoy the stew with yam, rice, plantain, or anything you love. Trust me, it is simple, hearty, and so satisfying. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more yummy dishes from my kitchen. And always remember to do everything in love. See you in my next video. Tschüss.